Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max guys generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you're trying to find where the transmission oil pump fuse is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. Now, transmission oil pump guys, it has a special fuse and it's located in one of the fuse boxes. We have 3 fuse boxes. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So the main fuse box is under the hood, then you have one in the passenger side, behind, kind of like underneath the glove box, and one in the trunk. So we're going to go ahead, open the hood, and we'll show you where that fuse is located now. So right here in the corner guys, in the engine bay, that's where your fuse box is located. You can see right here how we open it. On the back side you have one notch that you lift up, kind of like pull up and forward to come out of 2 clips. Here on the front side you can see, and when we turn it that way, the layout here what we have of all the fuses corresponds to the numbers that we have here. So which fuse guys we need to check for that transmission? If you look right here, we need to check fuse number 17, F17. So we're talking about that fuse right here. That's for the transmission oil pump, that fuse. If you want to see how to test the fuse guys, how to test the relay, I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.